is for ant, found everywhere. B is for bee, give us honey. C is for cat, that looks so cute. D is for dog, is my best friend. E is for elephant, dancing at night. F is for fish, that flips and flops. G is for giraffe, who does funny hops. H is for hippo, splashing in the sea. I is for iguana, singing with glee. J is for jelly, that wobbles so high. K is for kangaroo, that wobbles so high. K is for kangaroo, that can really fly. L is for llama, making us grin. M is for monkey, who loves to spin. N is for narwhal, with a horn on its head. O is for octopus, waving instead. P is for penguin, sliding on ice. Q is for quokka, always so nice. R is for rabbit, hopping around. S is for snail, slow on the ground. T is for tiger, with stripes that amaze. U is for unicorn, dancing through rays. V is for vulture, soaring up high. W is for walrus, waving goodbye. X is for X-ray, a transparent fish. Y is for yak, who loves to eat prunes. Z is for zebra, with stripes black and white. Now you know your ABC, silly and bright. Sing them with laughter, jump up with glee. Learning the alphabet is fun as can be.